Hey loves, how you doing? Mko aje? Hopefully you're all doing okay and well. Today it's another good day, another afternoon. The time I record ni masaa ya sasa ngapi guys? Around 2 guys. So ni afternoon, sindo? And let me show you what's going on around here. So I'm preparing food for my daughter. Nimebakisha kuweka spinach hapa na tomato guys na carrot. Yeah, sina vyombo mingi chafu sana. I was cooking this. Mzo, wenye wanajua nazijua. Then there is that tea. What else? I need to take breakfast. Yeah, nikiwaambia breakfast ya juni. Nalalanga late na amka late pia. And I have this package that I wanted to unbox pamoja. Guess what it is? I'm so happy about myself. I've really wanted to have that juu ya kuorganize my kitchen, guys. And without wasting a lot of time, let me just show you. Kuna haka already nilikuwa nishafungua. Kuna haka kakisu like kusharpen kisu, like when it's blunt. In my area, like sisikiangia watu wana niningi visu, like wana noa, and it's doing the magic. So I bought that. And then I also bought this pia. Kisu ingine, added another knife. Haya. Alafu tena, let me show you this package. Kuna hii package yenye iko hapa. This is what I want us to unbox, tuone what's inside, my love. Yeah guys, let's do this. The princess, guys. She's the princess. She's my princess. She's my princess, guys. Okay. Okay, how do you open this now? So it has this kaka kichungi. Wow, I love it. And then do you open here hapa, guys? It's well partitioned, my loves. Look at that. Look at this, my loves. Naeka hapa nini yangu, mchele, dengu, blah blah blah, guys. Let's do this pamoja muone. I'm loving it, guys. Me, I'm loving it. So tukitaka kwenda kwa hii nyingine unazungusha, unatolea hapa, unatolea hapa, unatolea hapo. Okay, unatolea hapo. Just press. I'm so happy and satisfied. I'm a satisfied client. And I love this color. I didn't want white, but you need to work it to whenever you need. It's a cool, guys. So my loves, wacha tuweke what we have and see, guys. So I have this, and I have my mchele. So let's see. Vitu gani ni mingi hapa, guys. Wow, I have this. Niko na hii. these. And then niko na hizi zingine hapa. Sio kama hizi ni dengu. Yeah, I have dengu. Dengu guys. Paka hizi zingine ni dengu guys. So nilikuwa nafikiria niweke mchele here. Niweke mchele here and then dengu. I don't know guys, but let me just mchele juice mingi niweke huko kwingine. But mchele ndo naikanga mara mingi. Nimeweka mchele yangu hapo guys. Inakaa hivyo my loves. Mnaona vile ni supu guys. It's very pretty. So that's all. I want to cook for my baby. Nilikuwa na vitu mingi. Ameamka nikampea uji. And guys, let's test on this. Let's test on hizi. Unaona hapa hivi venye ni pachafu guys. Let me chata niwashe. You see how dirty it is, my love. Let's see whether kama ina. Okay, zinaona uchafu. You see this dirt? So it's doing its function so well. Let me first prepare food. Then we shall partner guys. Guys, let me just show you the final look. Kwa hivyo, this is my baby's food, chai. It's clean, guys, you see? Nafaa kutoa hii hapa. I'm done with the small cleaning. Yes. I'm done with the chungulia. So in the meanwhile, nataka kuweka chai and rice na nini na cowpeas. Ni kama cowpeas ama zinaitangwa aje? Sijui venye zinaitangwa but zinakaa hivyo. So that I eat, maybe edit the video or nikirelax too. Yeah.